Hi, I'm Piyush Chakraborty once again back on the lecture series to deliver lecture on the expression of drift velocity and related matters. The relation between drift velocity and current density, etc., etc. Now we are starting the chapter 3 of class 12 physics, current electricity's most important point, calculation of drift velocity. Simply, the electrons in a conductor execute random and uninterrupted motions. The electrons in a conductor always execute random, irregular motions in all directions in zigzag path. Drift velocity is defined as the average axial velocity of all electrons confined in the conductor. Now let us consider a cylindrical conductor like that. Obviously, when the external electric field is applied, when external electric field E is applied, all the electrons comes into motion and they axially move from one end of the cylinder to the other end axially. Let us consider L is the length. Here what happens, let U1 is the initial velocity of electron 1. Initial velocity of electron 1. Similarly U2 the initial velocity of electron 2, etc., etc., and Un is the initial velocity of electron n. This way, if we take average of all these velocities, then what will happen? U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus plus Un divided by the total number of electrons n, and this average of U is normally taken as 0. Why so? Because if one electron goes this way and the other electrons after collision is going to the opposite way, if this is taken as plus U, this is minus U. So averaging the whole thing, averaging this parameter velocity over the whole number of electrons contained in the conductor, we can assume that the average is almost 0. Now here, if we consider the final velocities taken as V1 for electron 1, V2 for electron 2, etc., etc., Vn for electron n. Under this case, what will happen? The average velocity of drift will be taken as U1 plus AV1 for the first electron, U2 plus AV2 for the second electron, and this way Un plus AVn for the nth electron divided by the total number of electrons. So what will come up? Here? This is not V1. This is T1, T2, etc., Tn divided by total time